downloading Magento as a zip archive and using Composer Create Project deliver almost the same result. If we download Magento as a zip, it actually is just a bundled up version of a Composer-based installation. There are some minor differences. For example, symlinks from scripts in vendor bin to the Composer packages are instead copies of those files. This means those scripts sometimes can't be used from within vendor bin. It depends on the script. This mostly surfaces for me when I try to run vendor bin PHP unit. As a quick fix, using the script file from the original package does still work. So in the case of PHP unit, that would be in vendor PHP unit, and then the package PHP unit, and then the script PHP unit. Right here. Vendor PHP unit. Okay, now to actually download Magento, currently the location is in community get open source. Sometimes they move things around, right? And then get started. Yes, I do want to download open source. Here we go. Then we select the release with sample data or without. Select the desired format and click download. We'll have to log in, and then the download starts. That's how we can get the open source edition, formerly known as Community Edition. For the former Enterprise Edition, which is now known as Magento Commerce, that is available for download through the Enterprise Partner Portal.